Hi, welcome back. I'm Matej from DMA. Today I want to talk about techniques that beginners don't spend enough time on. Beginners play all the pieces, they try to play more pieces and more pieces and more pieces, and they simply some techniques skip, or they do a very little of those techniques, and when they do that, their playing pieces are not better, they are simply not good enough because they don't do the technique stuff at the time they need to do it. So I'm going to talk about 3 techniques today that beginners simply don't spend enough time on. So if you're ready, let's start. Okay, the first thing beginners don't take enough attention on is pedaling. They playing pieces, a lot of pieces as I said, but they simply don't use pedal, or they don't use pedal enough, as much as they should use it. So the pedal, the most important pedal, I already talked about that, is the right pedal. The right pedal simply used to hold on to sustain notes. So basically they play, this is without the pedal. This is without the pedal, but with pedal. It sounds totally different. So if you're the beginner, don't miss playing with the pedal. Try to play with the pedal. Try a lot of variations. I will do another video just on ways to use the pedal, how to use pedal, different ways to use the pedal in your playing. But the first thing, very important for the beginners, don't miss playing with the pedal. It will give your music another dimension. The second tip is actually chords. Chords are very important. I talked about chords already, but I don't want to go again. You can check my video about chords. Without going very further in the chords, beginners must know some few types of chords. For example, they must know major, they must know minor, they must know diminished, and they must know augmented chords. I thought I did already video about chords, but basically just know those 4 types of chords: major, minor, diminished, and augmented. Read a little about them, learn about them, it's very important, it's going to help you very much. The next one and the final tip for today are scales. Actually, without going any deeper in this, I think I did a lot of things about scales already. You can check that. The 2 most common and most basic scales you should know are the minor and the major. Those are the essential scales. When you know those 2 scales, it's going to be very easier for you to play anything. You will know, for example, if you play this, you will say, aha, this is a minor chord. Oh, and I know minor scale. It will be easier. This is already still a minor chord. And then major, A major, and then again A minor. So this is why you need to know those things, because it's going to be a lot more easier for you to memorize things and to simply play. It will be easier for you to play when you know those stuff that I just told you. This was everything I wanted to show you today. I hope you had fun. I surely did. So until next time, see you and stay tuned.